up, I'm at a threat. For that bitch, I'ma lay up. I get the money, no layup.
In my crib, this is my house right here. I live here.
You got the first floor, alright. I got the upper floor, you know what I'm saying?
With the escalator.
Yeah, I got the escalator, you know, go upstairs, you'll see my crib, probably my room down. Everyone got an outfit change. Joe don't got the head no more. I had to put the tech on.
Yeah, we move fast, nigga.
See, you see what's crazy? What was you talking about?
Blink, bro.
What was you talking about earlier? You see how we're the only ones who changed? That's crazy. You gonna see it in the video.
We move too fast. You blink, you gonna miss it.
Niggas like us, we like to sit on escalators. You know, we don't like when you own it. We don't like standing. Yeah, when you own the escalator.
Okay, this will be a hard thing to run the camera on the escalator. That'll be hard to see.
Niggas like me don't get off escalators. Okay, so this is my first room. Okay. This is the first room I ever built. He's bullshitting. This is my office. As you can see. You see how he just steals.
This is my computer right here. The Google Max.
What is this?
The Google Max plus the third nigga. This is actually my office right here.
Now, if you come down here, you will see the living room area. All right. This is kind of hard. We can live in here. Look here.
I mean, we do live in here. So y'all want to see that boring shit? You want to see the real action? Follow me right here. This is right here where I bring it right here in the early morning and fuck on the.
Now you better not be doing that on my sink. This is like cooking.
And then she makes me eggs and bacon. Yes, and she makes me eggs and bacon every year. I don't know how, but
let niggas know if y'all trying to see a. You want to see a cooking video? Cooking. Cause I'm low key Gordon Ramsay's son.
You're black, nigga.
If y'all ever seen the movie,
No, nigga. What that falls?
we got the. This is mine. Triple deck. It's not gonna fall. It's attached to the wall. Yeah, this is his. And we gotta test them out somehow. It's actually attached to this.
Nigga, stop. Yo, stop.
Now, to somebody normal, this may look like a normal, ordinary bag from IKEA, but this is actually made by Louis Vuitton. So we let them out sometimes. The Louis Vuitton bag, okay, and I have a whole bunch of them. This one bag costs probably like $23,000, but don't worry about it. Oh, I didn't see you there. Welcome to watching Jay Breeze's cooking show. As I was saying, here you go. See this right? All right. We sit here at the round table.
Where the food at, Dad?
Where the food? You know what I'm saying? If you would sit down, I can make it.
What?
You want to get your ass whooped tonight?
Who
got a belt?
We wash my hands first.
Yeah, facts. Wash your hands. Oh, they had the bowls right here. I was looking for that because we making already. You know what I'm saying? Creme brulee with scrambled eggs and ravioli. This tree right here is actually the same tree that George Washington cut down. The same cherry tree, but I regrew it. You know.
He's lying. You know.
Yeah. If you lead your attention over here, the goat. X actually once slept here. The goat.
That's why it's $6 million.
I thought you were gonna smell it. Nigga, smell his ass.
For all my just out there, nigga, this is a shorty. You can kick it for the night bed. Go in that living room, pop that couch open. Oh, bro.
Bro. One night only. Dumbass girl. That's what Future said. I didn't say that.
You know what else Future said? And even if you want to
my money at these bitches acting.
He said, tell your mama I miss your cooking.
Yo. I got every type of room. What? Let me bring you in here. Yeah, you ain't never seen that like this. Wait, you can buy the whole room? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something about the Great Diamond Scale 5. See, at first, niggalation is 9-12. But Future says is, if you love a girl, you're doing it wrong.
Bro, Joe. Oh, yeah, we should do a little skit right here.
One eternity later.
Bro, y'all niggas really didn't put me in the cover though. Like,
I knew you were gonna bring this up.
Bro, I'm just saying, like, that shit really with dinner. Like,
I didn't want to. Come on, bro, not.
You see, this right here is a room full of niggas. Okay, this is what you don't want to be anyway. You know what I'm saying? Now that they're frozen, it gives me time to talk because these niggas don't like to shut it, bro. fuck up. Anyway, you know, right here. Let me give you a quick tour of the little kids' room, feel me? Right here, you feel me? We got the rug. It's very familiar, like, you know what I'm saying? A lot familiar. See this thing right here? Right here. This is one of them. You can buy him. You can buy him. I'm not gonna say the word, but he one of them. Hey, bro. This right here. Feel me? If you ever need a family pet, you know what I'm saying? This Squidward right here. Squidward. You see, he got the motherfucking tentacles on his head. You know what I'm saying? This chair he's sitting on. Sorry about that. This right here. You feel me? $50 chair. You know what I'm saying? We don't have to worry about that. I'm just gonna be there with you. Another one. That'll work, bro. Walk in your trap, take over your trap, nigga. Boom, boom, boom. Give me everything in here. My crib now, nigga. Welcome to MTV Cribs.
Welcome.
We got a dead nigga. He
MTV
comes.
Cribs.
Look, you gonna buy this whole room, including the nigga. He comes
Dead
on the
nigga
couch.
is for
blood.
free.
The blood is we already cleaned it all
Cleaned
off.
it all up.
He when you wake him up, maybe he'll make you some chicken.
Look, $5. I'm putting a tag on it.
Boom.
Come on.
Know your worth. $5 is insane. $5 is wild. I'm weak, bro. R&B Cosmic in the building. Let me show you the boom boom room. Welcome to the boom boom room. Now you see books, you see pictures, but what you don't know is this is where it all happens. This is where the magic happens. This is where the pour up with your shorty. Sitting down, bro. One man? One man's in here. This is really a fuck room. This is definitely a one man boom boom room. It's got a spot for your homie to go show y'all.
What? He said you got a spot for your homie to look.
For your homie?
Yeah, he'll look right here and watch you guys doing it.
Oh yeah.
Hey, good job, bro.
Let me show y'all the last secret room of the house before we end up this tour. If you will follow me this way.
We going the wrong way, though.
Follow me this way. This is where I like to, sit down, and this is where we make all the money moves. All right, a lot of good. Used to be. I'm not gonna make that joke. Conversations come in here, and yeah, we sit here.
We smoking cigars and shit.
This is where we light up the cigar.
I drink the rosé is in there with the azul.
What?
As you can see.
You're disgusting. These niggas drinking rosé in front of niggas. You know that gets you horny?
Look in the case. Look in the case, bro. This is my classy room where I have classy sex. That cat, I fuck all bitches. This one we're sitting on right now, it's a very fan favorite. I love to do the doggy style right there.
That you're sitting here right now.
Listen,
Uncle Jerry, man.
You wanna know? I had a station set up. Bent over, one here bent over, one here bent over, one over there bent over, and one on this table. I would go around this 1 2 1 2 1 2. It was a station. So you don't know about that.
I'm not gonna lie, this house is very poor. You know what I'm saying? I live in a $4.5 million mansion, and I have like 50 bad bitches in that shit.
Really?
Yep. They just did to that photo.
No, I saw it. Niggas on recording.
I'm talking about him. Hey, bro, that was family, bro. Don't do that. Was family. Don't do that.
Okay.
Got the Dells.
Yo, this is where I be scamming on, you know what I'm saying? Scamming all the pleasure shit.
This right here is where Dom sits on the computer and edits the videos, trying to figure out new ways to scam our viewers.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. If Dom ever says something in the video, like it said giveaway or like we're doing something, I promise you, it's a scam.
I went to Antarctica, bro, and I slayed a polar bear.
You got a freestyle, bro.
It tried to attack me, so I had to make it.
I got the videos on the line. I can send them on over 5 seconds. All right.
Maybe that shit connected to
Cool on your block, let it hit. Cool on your block, let it hit. Call me John.
your ass.
Cool.
A little area right here. Okay. Got the octopuses, octopuses. Nigga.
Yo, Joe.
The other day, I'm sorry to tell y'all guys, but I saw Dom standing behind this and do some shit like this, man.
But the fact that he just recreated it is crazy. See, even if I did do that, I wouldn't do that shit on video.
That's what I'm saying. Like, he being federal, bro.
Pause. Vegetable balls.
In your mouth? What? That is wild. I would never do that shit.
I wouldn't eat it though.
Didn't hear him say in your mouth. These niggas are wild, bro. I'm just a chill nigga, you know what I'm saying? Not doing nothing. I'm recording these niggas.
Hey, Kobe. Hey, pop bottles.
I almost landed there.
It's literally you and I. That's funny as hell.
I want my bros when we smoking biscotti. Bitch, I cannot put my trust in nobody. Proving to put it like I was Bill Cosby. Hold on,
tryna start on my woody, but we is too late in the party. Hold on, in the streets, look like my name like Cody. My wrist is too cold like it's hockey. Putting my name in the ballot. They say they want smoke on my